everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel GetAssist.net, where I talk about email services, social media, troubleshooting and latest trends. And I'm back again with a brand new video where I will show you step by step how to create a Gmail account using your computer. So if you are interested, make sure to watch the video till the end, as I will also share some important tips about how to keep your Gmail account secure. So to create a new Gmail account, you simply have to go to gmail.com in a web browser. And then here you have to click on create an account option. Now here you will see a sign up form that you have to fill to create your new Google account. So here you have to enter your first name and then your last name. After that, you have to create a username for your Gmail account. You can also use letters, numbers and periods, and then you can use your first name and last name to create a username for your Gmail account. Also remember to note it down somewhere so that you don't forget it anytime, alright? Or you can just keep your username very simple, just like me. And then you have to create a password, but make sure to create a unique and different password, and you can also store it or you can also note it down somewhere to keep it secure, alright? You can just simply copy the password and then paste it here to confirm. Okay, it's not working, so I will manually type the password and then simply click on next. Now here you have to enter your phone number, alright, to make sure that it is really you, and then you will receive a code on your phone, alright, that you have to enter here, not here, but first you have to enter your phone number. After entering your phone number, click on next. So make sure to use a new phone number, alright, that you are going to use in future as well, as you will receive a lot of codes, alright. So now here you have to enter the code that you have received on your device, and it may take some time to receive the code, alright. So if you are not getting any text message for the code, what you can do is you can click on this option call instead, so that you will receive a call from Google with the code, alright. So yeah, I have just received the code and now I'm going to enter that here. Then click on verify. So yeah, now if you want, you can remove your phone number once it gets verified, as entering your phone number is optional, alright. But it is better if you use your phone number for account security, alright. If you want, you can even add another email address for recovery if you don't want to add your phone number, but make sure to enter at least one thing, either phone number or a recovery email address, so that whenever you forget your password, you can simply reset it using these information, alright. So yeah, this information is used to keep your account secure. And now you have to enter your date of birth. And then here you have to simply select your gender. And once done with this information, you can go through why we ask for this information, alright. You can simply read this article if you want and click on next to proceed. Now here you will see the privacy and terms and conditions, everything. You can go through it carefully, alright, and after that simply click on I agree. So yeah, as you can see, my new Gmail account has been created, alright. So it may take a few minutes for that to complete. So here is my profile icon at the top right corner, and that's my username, Gmail username. So if you want, you can click on settings option and then click on see all settings to go to settings, and you can see how you can secure your Gmail account. Alright, so if you will go to accounts and import section, that is one important section. Here you will get the option to change your password, so you can change it whenever you want, and you can also change password recovery options. Alright, and if you will scroll down here, you can add any other email address like your Yahoo or any other email address you want. You can combine it with Gmail so that you can use Gmail to send from your other email account, or you can simply add an email account that you want to use to check emails. Alright, so now let's go back, and now I will show you the password recovery options, how you can change that. So here you will get all the options regarding security of your account. So as you can see, you can use your phone to sign in. You can turn this on whenever you want, and you will receive a prompt on your phone to sign in. You can also enable two-step verification for extra security of your Gmail account, and you will receive a code when someone will try to log into your account. Here you can add a mobile number whenever you want. Alright, simply click on that, and whenever you want to add a mobile number to your Gmail account, you can simply enter that here. But before that, you have to enter your password to verify your account. And now simply click on add recovery phone, and here you can enter the number. Alright, so your phone number will be used for security purpose only, such as to reset your password. Now let's move back, and again we will go to the change password recovery options. So the second option is to add a recovery email if you want to edit the email address, or if you want to update it. Alright, similarly you can go through all the information given on this page to secure your Gmail account in a better way. So I explained you all the important steps to take while you create a new Gmail account and how you can keep it secure from hackers. If you are interested in watching other Gmail related videos, you can check out the Gmail playlist of my channel. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you the next time.